Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is positive thinking. No matter what you do, you have to understand that you are the magnet of the universe. What you think, what you say, what you put out is what's going to come and magnetize to you. Negative energy is going to give you trials, tribulations, tests, obstacles that's going to prove to you why you need to let these feelings go and why they do not matter in the bigger scheme of things. And positive thinking, that's going to attract where you are right now, positive blessings, manifestations, breakthroughs. This is what you're working for. This is what you've earned. You come too far to stop now and block yourself by not thinking positive. My life is full of small patches of light. I direct my thoughts to which brings me well-being. I place what is waiting for me into the hands of the universe, and little by little, the light awakens within me, and I find serenity. You may be surrounded by darkness, but focus on the small specks of light that you do have, and in no time, they're going to be as bright as the sun. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.